To program tax on your cash register, you're gonna go to P mode with your P key inserted, which is already in here. Go ahead and go to P mode or program mode. We're gonna go down to our taxes option or 7. You're gonna hit cash or enter. You have 4 options. You have 4 different taxes that you can program. We're gonna program 1, cash. You can override the name of the tax, but right now we're just gonna go to option 3, which is the rate. We're in New York City, which is 8.875. You're gonna go ahead and hit cash again. We're gonna go clear just to go back all the way to program mode. Your tax is now programmed. Once you have your tax programmed into tax 1, we're ready to program your departments with tax. By default, they come without tax. So we're gonna go to P mode with your P key. Option 1, PLU. This is where we're gonna be able to program our departments. So we're gonna go ahead and hit cash. We're gonna hit cash again on option 1, which is add and change. And we're only gonna change 1 PLU at a time. Therefore, we're gonna hit 1 or just cash. And now we're ready to select our department key. We're gonna select PLU 1. Here we can rename the key, but right now we are only worried about setting it with a tax rate. So you're gonna go down to option 5, hit cash. You see N here, it's set no. This means that every time you mark this key, no tax will be added. So we're gonna change that to Y, which is yes. So you're gonna hit the up key, hit cash, and you're good to go. Hit clear, go back to where it says program mode, go back to register mode, and let's test this out. So $10 with a PLU 1 department gives us a total of $10.89, which means our tax was correctly programmed.